dancer pose or Natarājāsana. So this is a standing balancing back bend. So you get a little bit of a lot of stuff, okay? So this is one that you can do on both sides. So generally how I like to do it is I start ground down into both feet. Feet are planted hips width distance apart. Begin in mountain pose, palms face forward, okay? Just take time to recenter here. We're going to do a lot of work, all right? So ground down into your left leg. Lift your left palm high to the sky. Reach your right palm open. Bend your right knee, bend your right ankle in towards your right glute. And then reach your right palm back behind you. Bring both knees back together. And you can stay right here, okay? So this is opening my chest. It's opening my heart. It's opening the front side of my body, okay? It's certainly opening my quad, my hip flexor, all right? So you can certainly hold right here, okay? I'm going to hang onto the wall for a second so I can look at you. So you can stay right here. Now, to come into full dancer, you will kick into your hand. So you're going to kick into the palm of your hand. So the energy, you're going to really press towards whatever's behind you. For me, it's the wall. Press behind you, but then hinge forward at your hips, reaching your left palm forward or whichever palm is raised up, reaching that palm forward. So the energy is really reaching in front of you. So you can feel it kind of like in Warrior 2, where it's like you're reaching in front of you and reaching behind you just as equally. Okay, so we're not just flailing around. We're not just flopping around or anything. It's the same energetic pull and push in both directions. Okay, so ground down into your left leg, reach your left palm high, use the wall if you need to. It's there. It's okay to use it. And open up your right palm, bend into your right knee, reach back for your right ankle, bring your right knee in towards your left. You can stay right here. Or if you're ready, you can hinge at your hips, kick into your right foot, reach your left palm forward, breathing in, and come into your back bend. And there you have it. So that is dancer. You would do that on both sides.